guys, it's Mitch with Shock Therapy. We're going to be showing you today how to install the front links for the Polaris XPT Turbo. A couple of things that this link kit is going to do for you. Number one, it's going to add strength and durability to the front end of the car. Number two, it's also going to take away the factory-prone bushings that are known to fail. Number three, it is an adjustable link. So when it is time to replace the rod ends, it is an adjustable threaded link body to where you can actually remove them and replace them with new ones. This install should take no longer than an hour. So let's jump on in. I'm going to show you guys how to install.
Your first step is to remove the factory links. Start with the lower hardware and then go to the upper hardware. Make sure that you save all of the factory hardware. Remove the hardware and link on the opposite side.
Okay, so all the high miss spacers are the exact same spacer for the whole link set. It does not matter where they go on the link. There's 4 per side.
When installing the links, make sure that you use the factory hardware that you saved when you removed the stock links.
Alright guys, so another tip too, the link itself does go on the outside of the sway bar. Grab our bolt. Hold it up higher. Yep.
Repeat these steps on the other side. Making sure that your car is level, tighten the rod end jam nuts on both links.
After the first 200 miles of riding, be sure to check the jam nuts on the link body to make sure that they are still tight. And remember, if you guys like the link kit, you can always pair it with our front adjustable sway bar for the ultimate feeling of the front of your car. For more videos like this, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell to be notified anytime that we post a new video. As always, if you need replacement parts, you can always visit our website at www.shocktherapist.com, or you can give us a call at 623-217-4959. attach.
That's it. And I need upside down dividers.
Yep.
So, today we're doing front links. It's going to take more than an hour to install them.
Mitch, and today we're going to show you how to install the front link kit on an XPT Turbo. Let's do it.
Hoopity doopity.
Yeah. Get it all greased up and lubed up. Hoopity doopity jumped on in there. Sounded sad. It did sound sad. Like a poor dog, sad dog.
Yeah,
Sad
like,
puppy dog.
like your brother dog just stole your bone.
Brother dog. Always be sure to make sure. This is tough, man. I don't like it. Man, you're gonna have a lot of bloopers on this one.
I know, I'm stoked.
On like a super short video too.
Now it's your turn, Kyle.
Nope, I'm out.
That was perfect.
That was
that was it.
fucking nailed it.